This is the A2 Media Coursework bottom question from Godfrey as part of his group. Question is as follows: can you find a magazine cover for one of the three films? If so, who does it include? What are the taglines used? And does it follow a consistent theme? The magazine cover that I've found, which represents Friday the 13th, one of our three horror examples for our coursework, is this cover of Scream magazine, which you'll be able to see on the blog post beside the video, and has no relation to the well-known horror film, which is also part of our coursework trio. It's no relation to Scream, the once popular film. Scream, the magazine, is a popular and rather expensive horror magazine, one which you would expect quality from. It is evident by the front cover that the magazine follows a consistent theme and many stereotypes of horror which are displayed using background imagery, font, colour and general layout. The cover's main image is Friday the 13th character Jason Voorhees, a well-recognised and recurrent antagonist portrayed by a total of 10 actors from childhood to adult years. The magazine now contains somewhat of a trademark, with a popular character largely displayed on the front cover as a star photo, and this appeals to readers and viewers who will see the magazine appearing on shelves. With horror at times being a narrow market to appeal to, there is always a competition with other designers and producers to convey their own product, in this case a magazine, to its audience in the most effective way possible. The image is accompanied by a red and white coloured font, largely reading Friday the 13th. Red is used because not only does it connote a blood/gore theme, as is often the case with horror, but it is also visually the most powerful and enticing colour, which draws viewers' eyes directly to the title of the film which the particular issue is featuring. The white text below it functions and cooperates well with the dark background. It's important to use a lot of dark dominance on a magazine cover such as this one, as it carries connotations of horror and fear. In the sidebar there are three box outs, which each promote a different feature inside the magazine. They mention several horror films such as Saw and Insidious, and people in the horror film industry such as Jason Eisner, James Wan and Lee Wanell. Not only will these names attract audiences upon skim reading the front cover, but moreover, there are numerous appropriate images, including piercing eyes, a suspicious grin, and powerful bellow. They all continue to abide by the theme on the cover, with more horrific-looking graphics, colour schemes of green, brown, and other dark shades, and as mentioned, the images used. These features of the theme will help to serve the interests of voyeurism. The title is displayed in what is made to look like yellow paint on a hard wooden background. The shade of yellow we used is interesting as it attracts a visual attention to the title, in a similar way which the use of blood red does for the main article. If one were to look at the cover for a matter of seconds, the eyes would be drawn immediately to these two pieces of text, an attempt deliberately made by the designers to do so. Furthermore, the natural path of the eyes for reading is from left to right, up to down in most cases. This is why the substitute articles on the box outs are featured from the left, with only the text on the right indicating the slogan of the horror magazine beside the price. Finally, the tagline is shown as blood, guts, gore and more. The use of rhyming is of course to help remember and register the tagline in the brain, whereas other than that it is fairly simple and straightforward. The designers have made an attempt for the magazine's simplistic style, with features such as this tagline, to be iconic